Sourcing advisory. Sourcing advisory is the use of third-party, external entity, advice during the sourcing process. As such, it may refer to advice sought during outsourcing, offshoring or global sourcing. Sourcing advisors. Given the strategic nature of the advisory and the prevalence of sourcing amongst global organizations, most management consulting firms today offer sourcing advisory services. In addition, there exist a host of specialized sourcing advisory firms that focus on providing sourcing advisory and research inputs to the industry. Sourcing advisors can also be independent freelance consultants. In recent years, software tools to automate sourcing advisory emerged. Building on software as a service, SaaS, the trademark sourcing advisory as a service, SaaS, is used in the market. Services. The range of services provided by sourcing advisory firms include